Let's see. So, only 20 likes? I need another take. Okay, I wonder what else I can use.
What, Sammy? Is it so hard to go viral on TikTok?
Sue, it's outrageous. Nobody knows who I am.
Let's try a new idea together. Did you go through all of the trends? Cute cats? Interesting, but we'll need a lot of kittens.
Where will we get them?
We can bait them.
But they will need a place to live as well.
Do you want your views and likes or not?
I sure do. Come on, let's shoot.
Okay, let's go build a cat house.
All right. Hey, kitty kitty. Come here, kitty kitty. Yoo-hoo.
Sammy, what are you doing? The cats are inside this box.
Hell dibba dabba. I was almost ready to multiply Fluffy for no reason.
We'll be working with tiny wooden cats only. They're so lovely. Wow.
I like this one. I want to see its true colors.
Check this out. The cat's red and white and also has a cute little collar.
Let's glue the backside too. And also, I have a treat for our first kitten. They like fish, right? There you go. Now he can stand gracefully on any surface. I guess.
I'm sure this cat will attract the others. Let's see.
Look, that one's playing. And that gray fluffy ball is sleeping. So adorable.
Soon they'll be moving to a new comfortable condo. Oh, I hope they love it.
Teeny tiny house. If only it were a bit smaller.
Let's add this weaving texture to make it even cozier. Huh? And here is a small reminder that it's a cat house after all.
Fresh tuna! Canned salmon! Anybody? No one? Then I'll eat everything by myself.
No way, mister. Save it for the kittens. They need some treats, you know. You can leave canned food inside the condo. The construction has already started.
Okay, but if it goes bad, I'm not the one to blame! Ouch! Hey! You started a real fight! How dare you! Shiver me chatters! That's a perfect fit!
Let's just add a cute, addictive toy here.
The home decor is finished! Fluffy residents can move in!
Not so fast! The furniture designer hasn't finished the interior yet. Let's put the cat food inside the house too, right next to the entrance.
By the way, here is the doorway! Where will we place it?
This would be the best spot. One entrance is not enough though. Here we go.
Do you want to scratch? I can give you this post at the best price today!
Want to trade? This wooden house just came from my crafting studio.
You're telling me it's a comfy house? Get the scratching post and give this to me!
Guys, now we have time to spare. Let's get the facade done.
Check this out! Any cat would love living here!
Really? I've made something to prove myself. Now it's a tree condo.
Holy cannoli! This would be perfect for cats that love climbing!
We'll also have the second floor for them. It's a whole other room. This is a small hint for the interior. Guys, stay tuned. Meow. Sammy, is the roof ready? We want to go home.
You know, I decided to live in this condo myself.
You're so greedy, Sammy. You have your own house already.
So what? The cats also have their cat cafe, remember?
Oh, right. Guys, you can check out the Cat Cafe craft on our channel.
It's awesome! Whoa! Phew, it's an artificial window. What a relief!
Our condo will have big windows. The cats enjoy looking outside.
Or they're like secret agents who monitor suspicious strangers.
I'd love to join a secret spy cats team. Guys, what about you?
It's too high for a small slime. Susie, give me a lift.
Only one passenger. Sorry, Sammy. What a nice vertical window. We certainly need a balcony here.
Will a windowsill do? There's enough space for a cat to walk on it.
I guess I've already found someone who's gonna show us their catwalk. Here she is, but now she just wants to chill here.
This ficus wants sunlight too! Can you find a place for it?
Sure, there is room for both cats and plants. And one more, these violet flowers have the nicest scent.
Don't worry, kitties. I'll catch some fish next for you. Ah!
Check this out. This black scoundrel has just caught a big fish.
And I've lost my precious head in the battle with this!
That fish seems to enjoy your company. It doesn't want to go.
Ah! No! Get lost! This is my... Oh, thanks, Sue.
Oh, we have a new toy. Just in time. Cute cats, soft paws, and fish lovers live here.
And thrill seekers! Beep beep! You have a delivery!
Wow, it's a slide! Who wants to take a ride? We'll build it right on the lawn. Woohoo! The first kitty is sliding now. It looks so happy.
And that one's nagging like, hey, I want to slide too!
Let's see the other side. Oh, here's the plumbing already.
Slime bloaters are the best. Call me if you have any troubles.
Now we can decorate the wall. Flowers always come in place.
Gardening service! Where should I plant a tree?
Bring it under the window, please. But why is it bare? It's an endless summertime here.
Oopsie. The delivery service must have mistaken it with a winter tree.
Don't worry, I have a special watering can for such cases. Let's get ourselves an evergreen tree. So cool!
That was awesome! Will it help these babies to grow bigger?
Nope. By the way, we're looking for a gardener, so you can come in handy. Our garden has finally blossomed. Check out these flowers.
Do you know where the most amazing view is? On the roof!
I see you've already prepared a comfy lounge zone for our cats. Here is the perfect spot for it. They'll see everything from here.
Susie, check this out! This one wants to go to the top!
Right. Let's try not to wake him up. And this will entertain the cat later. Sweet dreams.
I stole a star from the sky for my kitties! Fetch it!
Awesome. Let's attach a railing so the star doesn't run away.
Welcome to the Cat's TikTok house! We're gonna run the world! Susie, I just remembered, we can't miss them!
Who are you talking about? Are we waiting for someone else?
I'm talking about the thieves! They're really sly and sneaky!
Then we'll be prepared. Let's make a fancy fence.
Okay, but we should hurry up! They can appear any minute! Huh?
I'll do my best. Guys, let's look out for the cats and for our Sammy too.
What, me? I'm totally fine.
Yeah, I can see that. Let's speed up a little. All done. Sammy, you're a natural gardener. You've grown new plants.
Yep, and I've made a road sign. Now everyone will know it's a cat house.
Yeah, it wasn't that obvious before. And done. The fence is protecting the house.
Just half of it. It's more of a decor fence right now.
You forgot that our cats have sharp claws. Don't worry. Here is our security. He won't let any strangers enter.
They'll be defeated by its cuteness.
All we need to do now is to add coziness to our small condo. What is still missing?
Cat food! This fellow is very hungry.
I found the best place for him. Here, bon appetit. This shade will protect our cats from the sun.
Now you're talking!
A new fence and decor for our housewarming party. It's perfect.
Not yet! Susie, do you want to use your magic watering can again?
Sure. Let's see what will grow in the garden this time. Sammy, what is this? You look like a live map.
I'll add just a few final touches. And then I'll give you guys a house tour. da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Thanks, kitties. You've been working hard. Sammy, how is it going?
Whoa, 10,000 likes already! And the numbers are still rocketing! That's just awesome! What? Susie, we're late! The doggies are going viral now!
Yeah, it's hard to always follow the trends, but we love you anyway, Fluffy Paws.
Guys, you love cats too, right? Support them with a thumbs up!
Take your friends to visit our cat condo and cat cafe.
Those crafts are on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe! Bye.